here with Scott Hatch, an elk guide at Three Forks Ranch in Colorado. We're talking elk hunting tips. Scott, bow hunting versus rifle hunting. What's your approach as a guide there between the two? I mean, do you just approach both hunts the same, or are they different?
No, we approach them different. Well, out here, we're ranching for wildlife where we're at, so we can do bow or rifle.
Right.
Now, other places it's different times of year, but with bow, you want to get in and be aggressive.
Right.
With the rifle, you can kind of hang back. And the other thing is if you have someone with you, like I like to back up from my bow hunter and start calling, and put him in the center, and then kind of work that bull towards him.
Kind of the old call through method.
Yeah.
Same thing we use back home turkey hunting.
Yep, exactly.
Because the bottom line is you got to get that bull, for most guys 40 yards and in, and man, that can be a challenge. Rifle hunting though, I mean, you got a rifle scoped up, you can shoot long distances.
Yeah, you can even sit back and just glass a whole mountain range and then move in just a little bit to get to them.
Awesome. Good tips right there. Bow hunting versus rifle hunting bull elk.